Opposition leader Mark Golding is again calling for the government to do more.
Yeah. 83 years of the People's National Party. 1 year with Mark Golding. After 1 year, after 12 months as a president, I swear. After all the vision where you display, people I see it clear. People ready for change, who's there? Come make me review the year. So much work put in proofs to the president fear. For drive Jamaica in the way how it for steer. Demand a minimum wage fit unlivable wage. You unify the party in the hard times and still a push for your better approach to crime. When woman did a face some brutal signs, a who push for the pepper spray bill sign. Rest of them just a kill time, but Mark Golding we know so you're inclined for improve our nation big time. You're what a man full of insight. We see you listening tour, Manchester, Clarendon, Portmore. We hear the plans Golding have in store. Quality of life I go improve for sure. You have to lead and teach, accountability across the board for each. Mark be the odds the whole Jamaica seat. First chairwoman him make it concrete. Mark have a vision way bigger than politics. Laptop for teacher, 74 scholarships, 1 Jamaica every division. Abolish paradise, Court Street lighting, Grand Wish. Greenhouse community farming, love how the project performing. Mark have a plan for our Jamaica land, no queen as the head, the republic we calling. Through COVID you stick with the people. Your humility are your vehicle. When trust hard to find like needle. Your transparency you keep you. So we see better days. Although right now things set away. Mark Golding a bring better days. Quality over quantity separate. OT fear club funding to improve the workers them lifestyle. Junior shadow cabinet for the youths likewise. Mark Golding him a spearhead alright. Yeah. 83 years of the People's National Party. 1 year with Mark Golding. Mark Golding.